Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the Go Mining app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, go to your Player App Store and search for Go Mining and go ahead and open up the Go Mining app. Then once you come here, you're going to have a little cookies pop up, so you can go ahead, accept all, accept necessary, customize. I'm just going to go ahead and accept necessary. Now you're going to have a welcome screen. So welcome to Go Mining, an ecosystem built on Bitcoin mining. Pick what interests you the most and we'll tailor the app for you. So depending what you want to do, so if you want to do earn passively, get regular BTC rewards just by owning digital miners, click on that one. Or if you want to play and earn, so unite in clans, compete and earn game-based BTC rewards. So I'm going to choose the earn passively one and then click the next button. Then from here, Bitcoin mining made simple. So we mine in powerful data centers and handle everything, so you can simply earn BTC, and it will show you how much it has mined. So go ahead and click on to next. Play once, earn forever. So buy a digital miner and start receiving daily Bitcoin rewards. You can resell it on our marketplace, which is quite cool, and digital miners purchased. And also this is trusted by over 3.5 million users. So from here we can go ahead and click on begin journey. Now when we first start, we need to create an account, so we can continue with our Google account, Facebook account, email. You can also connect your wallet connect better or continue with Ton wallet better. I'm just going to continue with my Google account, so it's going to find my account here. So here it is here, tutorial is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with my account. I'm going to save my info. Now it's going to load your content and redirect you to the main page of Go Mining app. From here, we've got to go accept or choose our country. So I'm in Australia. I'm going to choose Australia. If you're like me, I can't scroll down here. It might be a bit of a glitch in there. I'm just going to type in Australia. Here it is here. And then click on save. And then also we need to accept and read the terms. Okay, after that, we're going to come back to this page where it says here, mining rewards for yesterday. And we can go ahead and click on create miner, upgrade miner, or buy Go Mining. So from here, go ahead and click on that plus create miner. And now we need to choose what type of computing power. So level 1 or level 2, and energy efficiency. We've got optimal or safe. So I'm going to choose level 1 and I'm going to do optimal. Then from here, it's going to show us our estimated profit. So we can choose 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, and we can see this change here if I keep scrolling down. So if I do 1 day, the pool payout is going to be a percentage of Bitcoin. Now if I do 1 month, that's going to change, and 1 year. We can also check out reward history. From here, we can go ahead, if we got any promo codes, we can click on promo codes and enter that promo code here and hit apply. But I don't have any promo codes at this point in time. From here, go ahead and click onto next. Then from here, we've got to put in our payment method. So we can choose Google, Revolut, or by card. And then it's going to show us the total we need to pay. So if we want to choose, say, by card, pick card, and then it'll give you the total amount in your location. So for me, it's going to cost me $41 Australian dollars, and click pay here. Then it's going to redirect me to their site to continue the purchase. So here I need to go ahead and put in my payment methods and then pay this amount. Alright, so then after that, that's on the home page here, we've got our VIP status. So we currently start at bronze 1, but we can climb up the ladder by going to bronze 2, silver 1, gold 1, etc. Keep scrolling down, we've got the power, how much power we got, or votes. Also we've got VIP discount on maintenance, it's going to give you a percentage here. And also they've got a card program that's going to come soon. Keep scrolling down the page, they've got some leaderboards, so we can check out the miner rewards here. So we can see these different users on the rewards page. We've also got miner uniqueness and all these different tabs we can check out on these leaderboards. Now on the bottom of the page, we've got these different tabs. So we can click on this one for markets. So I need to go ahead and complete my payment here, but we can check out all the different markets inside of here. We can look at my miners, so we can see farm, we can watch live mining. We've got our dashboard here as well. We've got rewards and selling. On the next tab, we've got our virtual wallet, so we can see our total balance. We can deposit and withdraw money here. We can also transfer and make transactions as well inside of our virtual wallet. And then on the last tab here is our user profile. So from here, it's going to show us our profile. If it says not verified, you can go ahead and click onto it and change our alias name. So if I want to go ahead and change that, I'm just going to delete that and change it to my name. And then once you've put in your name, go ahead and click on save. Hopefully my name isn't taken. Also country and region, and we can edit our profile picture as well on this page. So if I go ahead and click on edit profile picture, we can edit here. But for some reason, it's not letting me edit my profile image. Maybe due to I need to register my account, or click on this, click on my email to verify. And now inside your profile, you're going to see your VIP status, also your monthly upgrades. You're going to have your promos here as well, so we can check out your boner minus tasks. So complete tasks to earn your miner running and earning BTC rewards. They've got raffle and contests, so you can be part of these raffle and contests. So these raffles and contests do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check these out at later dates. And you can also view their upcoming contests and their past contests as well, raffle and contests. Now they've got a bounty program, so get Go mining tokens by completing tasks and challenges. So you can check that out by clicking into it. It'll say 300,000 Go mining, so complete tasks and claim your share of the bounty epoch prize. And then we can view the leaderboard here as well. Now if you want to go ahead and join the bounty program, so go ahead and click on take part. And as you can see, I've clicked on take part, and then we've got 6 active bounties. So these can change, or these might be different. So we've got referrals, so referral purchases, so earn points when your referral friends take their first step and create their first miner, which is going to give us 50 points. Bring a friend, so share your referral link and earn points when your friend signs up. That will give you 1 point. If we log into Telegram and do a Telegram quiz, we're going to get 3 points for that. Also message in Telegram, so join the conversation in their Telegram chat. For every 10 meaningful messages, you'll earn 1 point. Also log in to Twitter. Yeah, so you can go ahead and check out all these different bounties. And as I said, they've got a referral program here, so we can check that out. So invite your friends. They'll get a 5% bonus in TH on their first miner when they use your code, and start earning right away. So this is your referral code and also your referral link. So you want to go ahead and copy these and send these out to your friends so they can get a 5% bonus as well. We can also open up the QR code. There it is there, and we can share this and copy the link to our QR code. We can also customize invitation as well. That's quite a cool little thing here. So we can change this background color and the miner, and we can share the promo code, miner, and even rewards and achievements and all that stuff. And the last one here is liquidity bonuses. So this is going to provide liquidity, climb the leaderboard, and receive weekly rewards. Now we're on the liquidity tab, and we can check out that here as well. We can have a look at the leaderboard.